everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be on how I maintain my Goddess faux locks. And I had my locks in for about 5 days or less. And they are starting to itch. So I'm going to actually oil my scalp with the Camille Rose hair oil. And I'm going to spray the ends of my hair with just some regular water. And I may also add this foam to the ends. But the hair I use is synthetic hair, so it's going to not entangle together. I use the Cuban Twist Marley hair. And I think we used about 4 pats and then 2 pats of the Bohemian Curl, the crochet, so the ends can be curly. I'm going to section it in half. So I pretty much just split it in half. Well, actually I'm gonna put all of it on one side like this. I'm gonna take my oil I use my fingers to rub the oil in, so one, it won't drip down my face, and I actually make sure that I'm getting the oil under the locks. And because these are fresh, I'm not going to worry about trying to add any more product to the faux locks. Once they get older, we'll address it then. But now I just want to keep my scalp pretty moisturized. Okay, so now that I have moisturized my scalp with the hair oil, I'm just going to check my ends. They look pretty decent now, so I really don't have to do too much to them. Just going to spray it with some water. Work it in like this. And then I'm going to use 1 squirt of the foam and just put it on the ends of the hair. Okay, so this is all that I do to maintain my faux locks. And as you can see, my ends looking pretty good, and I know a lot of people complain about the hair being nappy or sticking together. I haven't had that go on with my faux locks, and maybe because my stylist used hair glue and she did not burn the ends. So I know I saw a lot of people saying that the hair glue leaves some type of white residue. I have red faux locks, and you can't even see where the hair glue is, so maybe somebody was using too much hair glue on your faux locks. But I have hair glue on mine, not hair glue, nail glue. I have nail glue on mine, and they are not burnt. So I'm thinking maybe because they burnt, they kind of like stick together, but the hair glue, they don't stick together. The curl pattern that was used don't seem to tangle, or maybe I just know how to maintain my hair. But overall, I give this hairstyle an A+. I don't have any cons so far. Like, my locks are not stiff at all. I can style them however I want. They don't hurt. I will leave the hairstylist info down below if you guys want to check her out. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my hair maintenance video. If you'd like to see more videos on how I maintain my faux locks or how I style them, just like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another upload.